Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this delicious, easy to make honey garlic chicken wings. I have here 6 whole chicken wings that I've already split. I've also washed and cleaned them with vinegar, water and pat dry. So before I start seasoning them, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. You can add any oil you have. I'm using some olive oil today. To season, here I have some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and I'm using some sea salt, paprika, and some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of my green seasoning, and you can check out the video for this above as well as in the description box below. Full details of the recipe is also linked in the description. So I'm going to give this about an hour to marinate, preferably overnight if you have the time. So my wings have marinated for an hour, and I've just preheated my oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Now if your oven temperature is in Fahrenheit, you can just bring that up to 350. When doing chicken in my oven, this temperature is perfect, so I just stick to it. I know every oven is different, so you can just use what works best for you. So I'm not using a rack to place my chicken on, so I'm going to make sure that I grease my foil so that my wings don't stick. And the foil here is just for easy cleanup. So I'm choosing to bake my wings, but you can fry yours, or if you have an air fryer, you can use that as well. And I'm gonna place my wings on my top rack. So after 15 minutes of being in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and flip my wings. And I'm gonna place these back in my oven to finish cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. My chicken is almost done, so I'm going to get started on my honey garlic sauce, which is very simple. So to my skillet here, I'm going to add a bit of oil. And some garlic, which I've already grated. And I'm going to saute this for a few seconds. And keep moving your garlic around because you don't want it to burn. So I'm going to throw in my honey. And that's a half a cup. Some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have this, you can use regular white vinegar. And some soy sauce. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. And as soon as my sugar has dissolved, I'm going to turn off my heat and then add my chicken wings. This is optional, But I'm gonna place these back on my baking tray and put them in my oven for another 2 minutes or so. And what this does is that it helps the sauce to stick on the wings. Alright guys, so these are my wings after 2 minutes in the oven. Remember, if you place them back in your oven, make sure you keep a close eye on it because there is garlic and sugar in your sauce and you don't want it to burn. And there you have it, honey garlic chicken wings. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll be happy to have you as a part of the family while we journey to our first 1,000 subscribers. I must say that these wings were so good and they were ready in no time. So I hope you give the recipe a try, and you can tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_. I would love to see how yours turn out, and don't forget to follow me as well. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.